If your knees crack and ache the moment you stand up in the morning, if your legs feel heavy and swollen by the end of the day, if a short walk leaves your joints stiff and sore, please don't just tell yourself it's only old age. Because after 60, something else is happening inside your body. You are slowly running low on collagen, the living glue that keeps your joints, your tendons, and your cartilage cushioned and moving smoothly. But here is the good news. The right foods, ordinary fruits you can buy at any store, can help your body protect and rebuild that collagen. Today, I'll show you the 8 best fruits to help repair your joints and rebuild collagen. And number 1 surprises almost everyone. Before we begin, if this channel helps you feel stronger and more independent, please tap subscribe and turn on the little bell so these tips find you each week. And one important note, this video is for education only. It is not medical advice. If you have severe or sudden joint pain, swelling with shortness of breath or chest pain, or if you have diabetes, kidney disease, take blood thinners, or have food allergies, please talk with your doctor before changing your diet. All right, my friend, let's begin with number 8. Number 8. Kiwi. This small green fruit looks humble, but it is one of the richest sources of vitamin C you can eat. And here is why that matters for your joints. Your body simply cannot build collagen without vitamin C. It is the key that unlocks the whole process. Every tendon, every ligament, every bit of cushioning cartilage in your knees depends on it. Just one kiwi can give you a full day's worth of vitamin C. Researchers at the University of Otago found that eating kiwi every day raised people's vitamin C to a healthy level within just 2 weeks, giving the body exactly what it needs to form fresh collagen. Here is how to enjoy it. Eat 1 ripe kiwi in the morning, sliced into yogurt, blended into a smoothie, or simply scooped with a spoon. If your knees feel stiff and slow to wake up, kiwi is a simple, gentle place to start. Number 7. Pineapple. Sweet, golden, and juicy, but pineapple hides a secret weapon, a natural enzyme called bromelain. And bromelain does something wonderful for aging joints. It helps calm inflammation. That's the swelling and heat that builds up around sore knees, ankles, and hips, the very thing that makes collagen harder to rebuild. In clinical studies, bromelain from pineapple has been shown to ease joint pain and stiffness, gently and without the stomach troubles that some pain pills can cause. Pineapple also gives you vitamin C and a mineral called manganese, both needed to build strong collagen. Choose fresh, ripe pineapple whenever you can, not the canned kind soaked in syrup, which only adds sugar that works against you. A few chunks in the morning, when your body absorbs it best, is perfect. If your joints feel tight and swollen after standing, pineapple helps clear the way for your body to repair. Number 6. Blackberries. Small, dark, and easy to overlook, but blackberries are packed with deep purple pigments called anthocyanins. Think of them as tiny bodyguards for your collagen. As we age, certain enzymes speed up and break collagen down. These pigments help block those enzymes, so the collagen you already have lasts longer. Researchers have found that these dark berry compounds calm the same inflammation that slowly wears down the cartilage in your knees and hips. And blackberries carry manganese too, another quiet helper in forming the collagen that supports your ligaments. Enjoy a small handful of fresh blackberries in the morning, on their own, stirred into plain yogurt, or blended into a smoothie. Skip the sugary jams. That added sugar cancels out the benefit. If your joints feel puffy and achy, blackberries are a delicious way to protect what your body has already built. Number 5. Guava. Now here is a fruit most people walk right past, and that is a shame, because guava is one of the richest vitamin C fruits on earth, with up to 4 times more vitamin C than an orange. A single guava can give you more vitamin C than you need in an entire day. Remember, vitamin C is the fuel your body uses to make collagen. So guava doesn't just support your joints, it floods your body with the raw material for repair. It also carries antioxidants that shield the collagen you already have from breaking down too fast. Eat guava fresh and ripe. The skin is good for you too, full of extra fiber. Slice it like an apple or blend it with kiwi for a real collagen boost. Just avoid the sugary, bottled guava juices. For stiff, swollen joints, few fruits give your body more to work with than guava. Quick pause, my friend. If these tips are helping you, tap that like button. It truly helps other seniors find this video. Now, number 4. Blueberries. You may know blueberries are good for the brain, but they may be just as good for your knees. Their secret is that same family of anthocyanins, the pigments behind their beautiful deep blue color, and they are powerful joint protectors. Here is the part that surprises people. In a 4-month clinical study, older adults with knee pain who ate blueberries every single day not only felt less pain and stiffness, they actually walked better. Their steadiness on their feet improved. For anyone who worries about staying independent, that matters. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C and manganese, and they are gentle on your blood sugar. Choose wild blueberries if you can find them. They carry even more antioxidants. A handful in your oatmeal, or on their own as a snack, is all it takes. If your legs feel tight and unsteady, blueberries help you move with more ease. Number 3. Pomegranate. Those ruby red seeds are one of nature's most powerful protectors of cartilage, the smooth cushion at the ends of your bones. When that cushion wears thin, you feel it as grinding, aching, and swelling. Pomegranate is rich in a compound called Collagen, and in clinical trials, people with knee arthritis who drank pomegranate juice had less stiffness, better movement, and lower levels of the very enzymes that chew away at cartilage. In other words, pomegranate helps slow the breakdown while your body works to rebuild. Enjoy a small glass of pure pomegranate juice or sprinkle the fresh seeds over a salad or yogurt. One important caution: if you take blood thinners or blood pressure medicine, please check with your pharmacist first, because pomegranate can interact with them. To protect the cushion inside your joints, few fruits do it better than pomegranate. Number 2. Strawberries. Sweet, familiar, and loved by almost everyone, yet strawberries are one of the most underrated joint healers of all. They carry a special mix of vitamin C, antioxidants, and a compound called ellagic acid that protects your collagen fibers from being torn down. And the evidence here is strong. In a 12-week study of adults with knee arthritis, those who ate strawberries every day reported significantly less pain, and their blood showed lower levels of inflammation. Real, measurable relief from a fruit you already know and love. Strawberries also give you manganese, which works hand in hand with vitamin C to weave collagen into strong, flexible cords. Eat them fresh, about a cup a day, and choose organic when you can. Avoid the jams and canned fillings loaded with sugar. If your knees ache at the end of the day, a simple bowl of strawberries may be one of the easiest changes you can make. And now, number 1. The fruit that surprises almost everyone: tart cherries. Not the sweet cherries you snack on in summer, but tart cherries, the Montmorency kind, usually found as a juice or concentrate. Researchers have called them one of the most anti-inflammatory foods on the planet. And for aching joints, that is exactly what you want. Tart cherries are loaded with anthocyanins that calm inflammation, the way some pain relievers do, but naturally. In studies, older adults who drank tart cherry juice twice a day saw their inflammation drop and reported less joint pain and easier movement. Here is the honest truth, though. This is not a magic overnight cure. The benefit comes from a daily habit, a small glass of pure, unsweetened tart cherry juice each day, kept up over several weeks. But for calming inflammation and helping your joints feel young again, no fruit on this list works quite like tart cherries. So, there you have it. The 8 best fruits to help repair your joints and rebuild collagen: kiwi, pineapple, blackberries, guava, blueberries, pomegranate, strawberries, and our number 1, tart cherries. But remember the most important truth of all: no single fruit changes everything overnight. Real healing comes from small, steady habits, repeated day after day, until your body has the time to respond. Maybe today you simply add one of these fruits to your breakfast. Maybe this week you trade one sugary snack for a handful of berries. Those tiny choices, they add up. They truly do. Because aging does not have to mean getting weaker. With the right foods and a little patience, you can wake up feeling lighter, steadier, and stronger. Thank you for spending this time with me. If it helped, share it with someone you love and subscribe so we can keep taking care of your health together. Until next time, breathe easy, my friend.